full-time and part-time instructors, teachers from basic ed, parents, members of the graduating class, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to have all you here tonight. Good evening. It is an immense pleasure and a true privilege to see so many of you gathered here tonight, a clear testament to your commitment and profound partnership in your educational journey. We know that you are all busy, filled with myriad responsibilities, and for that reason, we are especially grateful that you have here with us, parents. Thank you very much. Tonight, we gather under the theme 2025, Gabi na Pagdadarayaw, Anna Pabalo-balo, an invaluable opportunity for us to strengthen our connections, to share insight into the